Good evening, everyone. We are Team Explore Expert, and today we will showcase our final presentation for the TripTribe project. TripTribe is a platform mainly focused on providing recommended attractions, restaurants for users, and it provides transparent rating system and authentic review from the users. We will briefly talk about our tech stack and mainly talk about infrastructure, project management, feature introductions, and future plan. And for the tech stack, here are the tech stack we used from our front end, back end, cloud, and development tool. Next, welcome DevOps team to introduce our infrastructure.
Hello everyone, my name is Devon, and I will introduce our project architecture. We divide the architecture into the three main parts: the Jenkins pipeline infrastructure, and the front end and the back end infrastructure. Our infrastructure design is mainly consistent on high availability, scalability, and the rapid disaster recovery for each component. So first, let's look at our CI/CD pipeline infrastructure. We have chosen next page, please. Yeah, we have chosen Jenkins pipeline as our CI/CD tool. The pipeline consists of one Jenkins controller and multiple Jenkins agents. Our Jenkins controller is deployed on AWS ECS Fargate, which ensure automatic disaster recovery. To ensure the Jenkins configuration file stays up to date and accessible during the recovery, AWS EFS served as centralized network file storage for maintaining the Jenkins home folder. This configuration guarantees the immediate availability of the Jenkins configuration files in the event of the failure, facilitating the quicker deployment of a new Jenkins controller. For enhanced security, all Jenkins nodes reside within private networks and are exclusively accessible through application load balancer. Also, a security group is attached to that load balancer, only allowing the specific IP address from our team member. Next page, please. So this diagram shows our front-end infrastructure. For deploying our front-end, we use two hosting providers. The primary provider is the Vercel cloud platform, as it's the native Next.js platform, so it integrates seamlessly with Next.js deployment and automatically manages the scalability, availability, and the performance for our front-end part, which make it our preferred hosting provider. The second hosting provider is the AWS S3 service. We use it as part of our backup plan. In this backup strategy, we have implemented CloudFront origin failover and DNS failover to ensure high availability for our front-end component. So if a front page become available in our main region, Cindy region, CloudFront origin failover will redirect the request to our backup region in Singapore, which achieve the page level failover. In the event that the entire Cindy region is unavailable, DNS failover will come into play and redirect all traffic to Singapore region. Also, we create a Lambda function to back up S3 bucket. This function is triggered through event bridge, which means the function can be triggered in the scheduled time. Next, I will hand over to my team member, Devon, to introduce our back-end infrastructure. Thank you.
Hi. For the backend infrastructure, we use Terraform to build the product environment and the UAT environment. And we also use the EKS to provide scalability for both or boost environment, and it will also automatically triggered by the GitHub repo and through the Jenkins. And for the monitoring, we use Prometheus and Grafana to check the hosts, and if something happens, I'll send the email or Flask notification to our DevOps team, and we can figure out it immediately. So that is the backend infrastructure. Thank you.
Thank you. We use GitHub project to manage this project, and we have finished 60 features and done more than 155 tickets. Now we will briefly talk about the key features in our website regarding homepage, listing page, detail page, user profile, map feature, sign in, sign out page, write review, SEO, and our admin.js. Let's welcome Ling to discuss our homepage. Sorry.
Sorry, it's fun time.
Fun time.
So the homepage gives users an overview of the website. So here users can search their favorite places, see the hottest places and the restaurants, follow the places and share their personal experience by write a review after login. So we also designed a responsive layout which gives users a comprehensive experience across different devices, and they can also access to different pages through the menu and the footer. Next, Ling will explain the listing page.
Sorry, I will showcase our homepage first. Here, this is our homepage, and you can see the responsive settings here. And you can see we have a navigation bar here as well, and we can search, for example, the first. Yeah, you can see the searched place here. And next, let's welcome Ling to discuss our listing page.
Hi everyone, my name is Ling. Let me introduce the restaurants and attraction listing pages and its functions. These two pages will list the search results and the relevant details of location that the user specified. In this page, users can switch the view mode between grid and list, open the map to view nearby restaurants and attractions, filter or sort the search results in the page, save the restaurant or attraction they like, go to the detail page by clicking the specific card or the spot on the map. Next page, please. For example, in the left area, there is a filter, which is shown as a drawer in the mobile mode. User can click the filter options and then remove the option by simply unticking it or deleting the related filter option tag in the top area of the page. User can also change the sort option, whose default value is rating from high to low. User can save the attraction or restaurant for later review by clicking the heart icon. The pagination and result count is shown in the bottom area. Yeah, that's all about the listing page.
So this is our listing page. We have filters here, and we can save or unsave the place. And we have a map view. You can see it's loading. You can see the information from this view. And here's our filter. You can see some information here because there's no result. And next, I will talk about our restaurant and attraction detail page. And let's dive. The two pages are basically the same, just with different place type. In the detail page, users are able to save the place and write a review for the place. The information and photo are uploaded by admin. Users can view the exact location of the area by clicking the View Map button, and the map will show up. The rating area will show the result of user rating. And so here is the detail page. We can see the place here. And you can see the review over here, and users can save or unsave and write review. Okay, next, let's welcome other team members to discuss sign in and sign up page.
Hello, my name is Isaac. Here is my design of the sign in and sign up page. Here we use node mailers as the verification for the email register tools. And if once user registered, we will send an email to his email address and let him to verify his email. Once the users successfully verify their email address, we will let him to log in his account. But if the users use expired token or invalid token, he will need to re-register and verify their email address again. And we won't allow the user to successfully log in into our applications. And we use node mailers and GWT tokens as to verify the user tokens is validated. That's all. Thank you.
Here's the demo, so we can log out from here, and we can simply sign in from this page. And we can also sign up. And we will receive our email verification here, and it's signing. Okay. Next, let's welcome other member to talk about write review page.
Hello everyone, this is Ben. Let's move to the write review. Once you find a place that you like to share with others or expressing your opening, it's just a click away. Simply navigate to a place detail page and the write review but awaits your insightful words. For those new to our platform, a quick login or registration step ensures your feedback is tied to your account, and the review form is straightforward, allowing you to rate the place, share your thoughts, and even attach photos to enhance your review. Upon hitting the submit button, your review becomes an integral part of our community. Thank you.
We demonstrate our write review page. Sign in first. Now we can write a review for this place, and we can like rate our experience. And we can add photos. And we're required to have 30 characters. After submitting, it will show it review submit successfully, and we can see my review here. Okay. Next, let's welcome Gavin to talk about SEO.
Thank you, Jess. Next, I will explain the SEO section of our website. Enhance our website's visibility by using SEO components on key pages like the homepage, attractions, restaurants, sign in and sign out. Those components include vital information such as titles, descriptions, and images, optimizing our website for search engines. And let's just to show the function.
Sorry, where's the SEO function?
Maybe the right click the website and you can see the red inspect the website.
Yes.
And you can see in the header you can see the SEO meta tag in the head section.
Okay.
Scroll down. Yeah, yes, in the screen, and as you can see, the meta SEO section tag, and okay, and we can return to the PowerPoint. And the next section, the next slide is about admin panel. Yes, and we have integrated the admin function with our database, enabling seamless CRUD operations in our management system. Our system's backend is supercharged by admin.js, teaming up effortlessly with MongoDB. This collaboration is the engine behind our standalone setup, making data management a breeze. Admin panels easy to use design combined with the MongoDB's capabilities create a system that is smooth, secure, and easy to explain. Let's just to show the function.
And this is the admin.js. So we can even change the data like over here. And it will save in our database. Yeah. And you can see all the data information in this panel.
Thank you, Gavin and Jess. I'll now demonstrate the features of our user page. This page is designed with multiple functionalities. Users can alter their personal details, manage their saved items and reviews, and update their passwords. We've integrated MUI tab panels and SWR to enhance the user's experience, ensuring smooth transitions between tabs without the need for page reloads or extra server requests, thereby minimizing re-renders. Regarding privacy, we also taken special care. The security tab, where sensitive personal information is handled, becomes invisible when a user is viewing someone else's account. This is evident from the images as displayed, which show different responses based on the URLs above. Do you want to showcase, Jess?
Yes.
Thank you.
So in our user profile page, Sorry, it's a bit slow. So you can see the personal information here. You can change the bio, and we can see the places we saved over here and can delete. Sorry. And we can change the password over here.
Thank you. As just showcased, the features for our favorites and reviews tab, they are to enhance user navigation and interface experience. The favorite tab, where users can view all the locations they've bookmarked by clicking the red heart icons in their research result, has evidenced the design of the reusable place card component. This component ensures consistency and visual harmony with our main page, as Lin previously shown in our attraction restaurant section. The process of removing a saved place is straightforward, as Jess just explained before, and just need to click the red button under each of the place card. Moreover, for added privacy, the delete buttons are concealed when a user browses another person's account. The Reviews tab aggregates all the feedback given by the current user, safeguarding their valuable opinions. And these reviews are not only stored securely, but are also easily accessible for reviewing, editing, or deleting as needed. Additionally, we ensure that each review is linked to its respective place for quick reference. Thank you, Jess. And next, Fangda will showcase the highlights of our map feature.
Okay, thank you, Lingfei. Next, I will explain the map component. So to cover the user's need in different aspects, I implement a map box into the homepage for the pop-up view and the sidebar view for listing page. So for the homepage, the user can click the marker on the map to see a location, which show the details, the following status, the real-time opening status, and left a review over the place. So for the listing page, the user can track a place and explore its surroundings. A sidebar will give a user clear view, and the user can locate the place from the map or from sidebar. So you can show the case now. So on the home page, so when we find the result, you can click it, and so it shows the details of the places. You can like it, you can write a review for it, and also show rating and the opening status. It's also show the the future status, if it's going to close or going to opening in few hours. So for the listing page, we have a sidebar version of the map box. So if you hover your mouse over the sidebar for like anyone, it will turn the location into red, which is highlighted. So if you click the mark, it will scroll the sidebar to the place. And if you want to find the place, that's the choice. Thank you. Next, we will talk about, I'll let my membership talk about more.
Thanks for that. In this project, we also provide GraphQL support. At the backend, we integrate the Apollo server into Nest to create GraphQL APIs, and apply the code first method to automatically generate the GraphQL schema file by using the decorators and typefix class. We currently include the query and mutation operations for restaurants, attractions, users, and reviews. In the mutation operations, we add authentication support to secure the operations for users and provide multiple file uploads feature to attach media files when updating the restaurants or the reviews. At frontend, we mainly used GraphQL APIs to get filtered places in the homepage. Additionally, to generate the TypeScript, Based on the different GraphQL requests at front-end development, we utilize the GraphQL code generator to auto-compile the types from the GraphQL APIs. Thanks. Next.
We can't hear you, Jamie. So here is our Swagger UI API document. You can see from here. For users, actions like registration and logging happen at auth/register endpoint and auth login endpoint. So while user details are fetched through like users me, similar like that, and attractions like reviews here you can see from here. Thank you for your listening.